Today we are visiting Edo State, Nigeria, and I'll be making your favorite Edo black soup. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this recipe, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to cook your Edo black soup. You will need the following ingredients to make it. Here I have 2 bulbs of onions and some yellow and red scotch bonnet peppers, 1 cup of periwinkles. For the proteins, I have this fresh goat meat, which I'll air fry and use later. It adds a lot of flavors to the soup. I also have this Titus iced fish. There is no black soup without Titus fish, so I'll be adding this as well. Then the crayfish, I'm going to clean this up before adding it. Here I have dried prawns, stockfish head, and this Terra seasoning cube. A friend gave me a good review about this. I tried it out and the outcome was nice, so you should give it a try out too. I also have this Okpei, also known as fermented locust bean. I have 2 of it here. I have some omo, that is cow skin. And then these palm fruits, because we'll be needing the palm fruit extract as well. We are going to process this before using. Finally, we have the vegetables, which includes scent leaves, then the Uziza leaves. I have lots of it here. It's also called hot leaves. And lastly, we have the bitter leaves. This has been washed and frozen, so I'll defroze and use. To start, I'll add the goat meat into a pot, add some chopped onions, then the cow skin, sprinkle a pinch of salt, my Terra seasoning cube. I added 2 cubes, then go in with some blended fresh peppers, mix well to combine, cover and allow to cook for 10 minutes. While that is cooking, I'll go on to prep the rest of the ingredients. Here I have the stockfish head. I'll add hot water to it and wash thoroughly. I found a special vendor for stockfish and I'm really impressed. She sells really good stockfish and I don't have to worry about insects in my stockfish anymore. You can see how neat the stockfish is, no insects at all. Once I'm done washing the stockfish, I'll set that aside. Next, I'll go ahead to extract the Banga juice. If you want to get the real black soup taste, make sure you use the Banga juice extract. And if you can't find it where you stay, you can go for the canned Banga juice extract. It gives almost the same results. I like to extract my Banga with some warm water. This helps to squeeze out all the juice and oil from the Banga nuts. Then I'll go ahead to separate the chaff and the nuts from the juice. After that, I'll pass it through a sieve 2 to 3 times just to make sure everything is smooth and all the chaff is out. Now I'm done extracting the juice. This is what it looks like, so I'll set that aside. At this point, the goat meat is 50% cooked, so I'll scoop it out and air fry it. This particular method adds unique taste to our black soup. Please don't skip it. Once I'm done removing the goat meat, next I'll pour in the Banga juice extract and then add the stockfish. After that, I'll add the Titus fish. This has been cleaned and neatly washed too. Some people prefer to add the Titus fish towards the end of the cooking, but I like to add mine at this point for extra flavors. Moving on, I'll add the goat meat into an air fryer. Set to 200 degrees and allow it to fry. After about 10 minutes, the goat meat is fully fried, so I'll remove it from the air fryer. I know you love what you see, right? Even the aroma in my kitchen can testify to that. The next step is to prep the mixed vegetable. This has been neatly washed, so I'll add it into a blender and blend until smooth. I added the Uziza leaves, scent leaves and the bitter leaves, then the crayfish, some fresh peppers and then onions. Add water moderately to help it blend into a smooth paste. If you have your aceto, which is also known as orema seeds, you can add that as well. It enhances the flavors of the soup too. At this point, this is what our pot of soup looks like. Everything is fully cooked and it's time to add our mixed blended vegetables. And honestly, nothing prepared me for what happened next. Can you see that? This is what happens sometimes behind the camera. It's not always easy to share one's knowledge out there. So please, if you come across this video, give it a thumbs up. It will really make me feel better. Thank you. Next, I'll add the Okpei, some crayfish powder, then the last 2 Terra seasoning cubes, extra salt to taste, and I'll give this a good mix to incorporate. Next, I'll go in with the dry prawns, mix everything together, cover and bring to a boil. After about 2 minutes, our soup is 95% ready. Can you see what it looks like? Everything looks so delicious at this point and well put together. I'll mix everything together to combine, and finally I'll add in the goat meat. And then the periwinkles. I added the periwinkles last because it's already cooked and I wouldn't want to overcook it. For me, black soup is not complete without periwinkles, so add it, give everything a gentle stir, and our soup is ready. My favorite swallow for black soup is pounded yam, so I created enough time to make some soft and silk pounded yam for myself. You can check my description box to see a full video on how to make it. What do you think about my black soup recipe? My husband gave me a 10 over 10. That means I did a good job and you should definitely try it out. Please let me know the outcome when you do so, and I'll see you in my next one.